In this video, we are going to understand how to download and install Python. For that, we will open the web browser. I will be using Google Chrome. You can use any other web browser accordingly. Click on this Google option. The Google website will open for you. On the search box, you can type in for Python download. Once you do that, press enter from the keyboard and this links will be visible to you. You can click on the first link which says download Python, and this is from python.org. So once you click on this, the web page will open like this, and here you can see on the top download Python 3.10.4. So this is the version of the Python. If you are using Windows, you can simply click on this. If you are using any other platform, you can choose the different platform accordingly from here as per your convenience. Once you click on this, your download will start like this. At the bottom, you can see. We will wait for a while for this download to finish. Once the download will finish, you can click on this side arrow and you will see these options. Click on the option show in folder and the download section will open like this. You can simply double click on this or press enter from the keyboard. The download process will begin and you will see this dialog box will be visible to us, and you can click on the install now option and the installation process will begin. We will wait for this to finish. Once the download will finish, you will see this message setup was successful. You can simply click on close, and here you can see that by clicking on the start menu, these options are available on the top of the start menu. And in order to begin working on Python, we will be clicking on this idle. And once you click on this, uh, this platform will be visible to us. We will be explaining this platform in depth in further sessions. Till then, stay connected, keep learning.